Hi, this is me and Ryan's science fair project, which we did about moldy bread. And I'm first off going to explain to you what the project is basically all about. The project here is obviously about moldy bread. And you can see right here, we have our two pieces of bread. Now you can see they both don't have mold on them. This one turned into almost like a crouton, breaking apart. And then this one actually did have moisture, and you can see in the video, it's almost a little white, almost right here, which is a sign of the early stages of mold. And we were learning about mold for many reasons, and Ryan's going to tell us why it's so important.
Now, it's important to know about bread and mold because whenever you eat bread, you never want to eat it with mold because that could cause disease. So, because of this, mold can be very, very deadly. So doing this, you can tell when bread is still edible and when it's not edible. And there are many reasons why we wanted to do this and how we thought it would help. And so the ways we thought it were going to would motivate us, Kyle will explain.
The way the bread motivated us to do this project is almost like what Ryan said. We never want to eat moldy bread, but what's really surprising is that what mold actually is, it's an organism. And we first off did not expect that while we were doing our research summary, but we found out it's actually thousands of small organisms festering in almost like a giant colony. And it's really cool because when you do see that on the bread, you should honestly think next time about what it actually is. It's not a fungi, which is also an organism, but there are thousands of microscopic organisms all in one giant colony, as I've said before. And Ryan, can you please tell us what we have found?
We found out that the bread inside the bag stayed moist and started showing early signs of development of a colony or mold, rather than the mold outside shriveled up and cracked, and as Kyle explained, is now almost a crouton. And we found it interesting that we thought that outside the bag was going to be more mold, but actually inside the bag started showing more signs.
Yes, and we do thank you a lot for viewing our video, and we can always have more videos up showing about our science fair project, and we do thank you all, and we hope we get a good grade on this.